So here we are in a typical faucet, outside faucet, and the first thing you're going to do to attach one of these little faucet covers is to turn off your water. Yeah. Release that pressure. Take that off. And this little round thing is going to attach either here, or if you got, some people can put it here, but most of the time it's here. And you're going to kind of pull it and kind of pull it there. And that is going to assist in insulating. Of course, if you got brick, it's a lot more, or if you got hardy board, it's usually a lot more insulated. You can do it like that or that, but that's going to help a little bit because it's not going to break here. Let me show you where that, it's going to break right there. See if I can get some light on that so you can see. That's where it comes into the wall. Right there. Oh, it's dusty back there. It's cobwebs. But that's where it would break, and what would happen is when you turn the water on, that would be gushing water, and it would gush water all the way down here and all the way here, and it'd mess up the floor, and it'd mess up the walls, and this would make a heck of a mess. It'd be changing out a lot of stuff. So that's the reason why you want to have one of those, and they're very cheap, and they'll save you thousands of dollars.